Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to enable the Google Backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again to find Backup and Reset option, and here we've got the Google Backup section. Let's tap on Google account. And be aware that if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list and assign it as your backup account. If not, you will have to add it. So let's tap on Next, Add Account, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And now in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here you can decide what kind of data you want to backup, so photos and videos or other device data like call history or device settings. It's up to you, you can mark both. I will choose only this one and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and another backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. And to finish everything, just tap on Backup Now. And from now on, of course, after confirming everything with your screen lock, your device will back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.